Hello, hope you're doing well. I wanted to show you the thingamajig I built to help stabilize my workpieces. Basically, the problem I'm having with my table saw, well, it's not a problem with the table saw, it's more a problem with my skills. Whenever I have to rip longer pieces, like this, I find there's not a whole lot of support on the end of this fence, probably because it's a job site saw. By the time I get in the blade, sometimes it can move around. To make sure my piece is stable, I'm going to show you what I built. Maybe I can put it on with one hand. Let's look at it on the workbench first. It's like a huge fence extension. On the front here, I have a platform to support my workpiece, and it's basically 3 pieces of plywood. Well, 4 with the base. Let's see if I can put it on. Essentially, just drop it over my fence. It's a pretty tight fit. Push it in, and there you go. So now I have a lot more support from my workpiece. Hopefully this can be useful to somebody. Have a nice day!